dear students. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to Bridge Course Session 10. Today's topic MCQs questions. See in your screen question number 1. The story of Kanta in the chapter begins with Kanta standing in line to dash. Some options are given here. Cast her vote. Option B, take ration. Option C, buy medicine. The correct answer is there here. Kanta standing in line to cast her vote. Question number 2. The idea of universal adult franchisee is based on the idea of dash. Universal adult franchisee means, see here, it is a universal adult franchisee means right to vote for all. Okay, see here, it is based on the idea of option A, justice, option B, equality, option C, fraternity. The correct answer is there, option B, equality. Question number 3. Democracy refers to dash. Democracy refers to option A, discrimination, option B, equal right to vote, option C, none of these. See here, the right answer is there, democracy refers to that equal right to vote. Question number 4. Every adult in India, irrespective of their wealth and the communities she or he belongs to, has dash. So every adult person of India, there are the irrespective of their wealth, communities she belongs to, has. Options are given here. 1 vote, option B 2 vote, option C no vote. The right answer is it has 1 vote, option A. Question number 5. Indian Constitution was drafted by option A, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, option B, Mahatma Gandhi, option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, the Constitution of India that is drafted by, very easy answer this, option A, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 6. The story means in the story of Kanta, she ended her day by again standing in a long line in front of the dash. Some given the options. Option A, government school, option B, government hospital, option C, ration shop. Again she is standing on in front of the line, means which line she is standing, government school, government hospital or ration shop. The right answer is government hospital, option B, government hospital. Question number 7. Dalit is a term that the so-called dash used to address themselves. So Dalit's term is that Dalit was calling here option A, upper caste, option B, middle caste, option C, lower castes. The right answer is okay, option C, lower caste. Question number 8. Jutan is an autobiography of dash. Option A, Jawaharlal Nehru, option B, Om Prakash Valmiki, option C, Mahatma Gandhi. The right answer is there here, option B, Om Prakash Valmiki. Jutan by autobiography, it is an autobiography, Om Prakash Valmiki. Question number 9. When persons are treated unequally, their dash is violated. When treated that unequally, the persons are treated unequally in their have they treated? Option A, caste, option B, religion, option C, dignity. The right answer is dignity. Question number 10. According to the law, no person can be discriminated against on the basis of their. Actually, this by mistake 9 came again. It is question number 10. Okay, according to law, no person can be discriminated against on the basis of their. See here, religion. Option A is a religion. Option B, race, caste. Option C, place of birth. And option D, all of the above. The right answer is what? All of the above. Question number 11 is the ways in which the government has tried to implement the equality that is guaranteed in the constitution is, so there are government has tried to implement the two laws, you know that. Okay, so option A is through laws, it's a correct. Option B is government of programs or schemes to help disadvantaged communities through laws and through schemes. So the government has implemented the laws. The correct answer is there here, both A and B. Question number 12 is, Dash was the first state in India to introduce this scheme and in 2001. Some midday meal scheme first introduced in which state? That in 2001. They given the option here. Option A UP, Uttar Pradesh. Option B MP, Madhya Pradesh. Option C Kerala. And option D Tamil Nadu. The right answer is there, Tamil Nadu. Option D, Tamil Nadu. Question number 13. The benefits of the midday meal programs were. So what is the benefit of midday meal? So midday meal scheme was started. Then what is the benefit of the midday meal program? Okay, see here some options are given here. Attendance, the enrollment. So attendance also increased, enrollment also increased here. Okay, so both are right here. Both are right answers here. Okay, so the right answer is both A and B. Question number 14. The Civil Rights Act of Dash prohibited discrimination on the basis of race, religion or national origin in US. The Civil Rights Act was prohibited in the year of, that is 1964. The right answer is option B, 1964. Okay students, today's MCQ questions, I think you have understood today's class. So keep practicing the questions. Okay, so next session I am continuing in next class.